Okay, so that is now crossing over the Canadian River.
David,
Chance, go ahead, go. What do you see?
David, people in Westport need to be underground on this tornado. We have debris, large chunks of debris. Give me just 1 second. It's going to cross right over the bridge on I-44. It comes in on 149. I got you here, right here. It's going to pass right in front of me.
Okay, this is going to be this is a very large tornado. This is moving now into Cleveland County. So those of us that are living in Westmore, if you're living along Southwest 100 and Virginia Avenue, Southwest 164th Street, Southwest 179th Street, otherwise known as Indian Hills Road, as you make your way just west of the Westmore Trails Park, west of the Moore Golf and Athletic Club, Southwest 134th Street. This is a large tornado that is now moving into western parts of Cleveland County. Rusty.
Damon, I'm picking up winds that could be in excess of 150 miles an hour, perhaps even higher than that. These will be in comparison. This tornado will be in comparison to the Shawnee, Kearney tornadoes, EF4, maybe even higher.
Tornado emergency is now coming. We do have a tornado emergency for this storm that is moving into Moore right now. This is a tornado emergency. This is higher than a tornado warning. This is the most significant of all warnings that we can issue when it comes to a
large, violent tornado. It is moving to the northeast, and it's
moving pretty much straight east.
We're looking at it right now. It's moving to the east-northeast generally, but I mean, if you are in Moore, I would go ahead and get underground right now. Violent tornado, and this thing is kicking up debris. We just zoomed in. We saw the debris. Now, of course, the trees are a little bit in the way, so you can't see it actually at the ground, but this is definitely causing a lot of damage right now.
And Damon and Rusty, the thing that I would caution everybody on, the storms we saw yesterday, they went to the south parts of Oklahoma City, just seeing some power flashes along the base of that, so it's hitting power lines over there, probably approaching May Avenue.
Best, and that's a storm shelter, a cellar, a basement. We got the people talking over each other. So this, now it looks, it's slowed just a little bit. If you look right there, it's just slowed a little bit, but it's that gives it more time to organize. It's a giant tornado. Safety precautions are below ground's best. If you don't have that, as in Tinker, if it maintains itself, 341. Tinker Air Force Base 341. So I'm gonna read these off. Let's go south 164th is just about on that right now. This is a huge, deadly tornado. North 12th and Western, North 27th and Western, that would be Edmond. Moore, that'd be Moore. 319 will be in Moore.
North, this is a violent, deadly tornado, Gary. Please take cover if you're in the path of this thing.
Okay, the core right now, it's going through Southwest 140th Street, Jamie Drive. I've heard these before. Foreman Drive. And it's moving right toward Southwest 140. So it's going right now. It's moving a little. Let's call it east-northeast. And right now it's just a hair east of May. So it's a little east of May now, east of May, and it is right in those areas I was just mentioning. The next north-south road is Pennsylvania. So it's
moving more easterly than northeasterly now, but barely. Okay.
Okay.
Large and violent tornado crossing Western. Right now, I'm at 134th. It's a half mile south of me. EF4, possibly an EF5. Absolutely amazing. Gary, back to you.
Okay, it's right on Southwest 19th and Moore, coming across Western. And, of course, that means it's going to be moving by...
electrical storms going on
here
out in...
So it's
north to us from Southwest 119th and Western. I'm telling you, down from 134th and Santa Fe and all through that area south, north of there, it is just a disaster area. It sounds like they're trying to set up command posts, and they're still tracking it, saying...
It is into east sections of Morse, East Main Street, Smoking Oak Circle, Avery Drive, Southeast 8th, and I think the schools are right in that. Some big schools right in there. Northeast 5th.
Gary?
Go ahead.
Okay, Gary, it's crossing Southeast Bryant right now. I'm at Southeast 104th and Bryant. You can take our stream. I'm looking south from our stream. It just crossed Bryant Avenue. It just crossed Bryant of the tornado right now. There's a new area that's really sharp to turn.
Let's just close to the intersection.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Okay, still moving east. Still a large tornado on the ground, but the new area of circulation is getting... Gary, I'm at Sooner Road right now.
Okay.
I'm at Sooner Road, and you can look at our stream. It's just southwest of Sooner Road. I'm turning right, headed down Sooner. I'm going to get a little closer to it here. Look at the motion, Gary. Boy, this thing is really moving east.
Here's
Gary,
You're just a mile from it.
Might have picked up a little speed, Gary.
Now, but just look at that, all the debris around that thing, and we're watching it, and we got power flashes well to it maybe.
Hit it or hit that 40 over there in southeastern Oklahoma County. Right now,
we're going to have to go back north and drift away.
Leading edge of this, it looks like it's weakened there a little bit. The smaller, sometimes the speeds actually increase when it gets...
Just unbelievable, but right now it almost appears to be stationary, Gary. It almost appears to stop moving in this spot right here. Now it's getting very thin. You can see the needle at the bottom there. Let's hope that this dissipates here, but it's already caused no telling how many hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of damage. Let's just hope that we don't have any lives lost. You can see it roping out, Gary.
Yep.
Hopefully this is the end of this ordeal right here before, but you know, with most of these this big, it could very easily cycle back up and drop another tornado.
I think you're going to get another one over to the right, Jim.
Just about a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles west of Lake Draper there. It's totally roping out at this time, Gary.
Jim, appreciate that. There it is, weakening right there. Still doing damage on the ground at that particular point. It's moving toward Draper Lake. Probably going to get another tornado to the right of this one.
Gary, we think that video on the left is Briarwood Elementary, which is at 134th near Robinson's, kind of by Santa Fe. There are children trapped, children hurt there. And I heard a police officer in South Oklahoma City say over the scanner, everything to the south of here is obliterated. There's a neighborhood to the south of there at Southwest 134th.